The top 6 foods that are causing belly fat to accumulate. Belly fat is extra fat that collects around your stomach. Having too much of this fat, especially the kind that wrap around your organ inside your belly, is unhealthy. This is called visceral fat, which can be very dangerous, can cause health problem because it is obstruct the function of your organs like your heart, pancreas, intestine, and your gallbladder. It can lead to serious problems like heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Eating too many sugary foods, starchy foods, or foods containing fructose along with foods that cause inflammation can contribute to belly fat. Also, stress can make your body store more fat around your belly because it releases a hormone called cortisol. Certain foods make it almost impossible to lose belly fat around wards. There might even be the reason it's increasing. Today we are breaking down 6 foods that are secretly expanding your waistline and what you should eat instead. Number 1, sugary drinks. Liquid sugars is one of the biggest reason for belly fat. Why? Drinking soda, flavored coffee, and even fruit juice spikes your blood sugar rapidly. Your body absorbs the sugar so fast that it gets stored as fat mostly around your belly. Unlike solid food, sugary drinks don't make you feel full, so you end up consuming even more calories later. What to drink instead? Switch to water, herbal teas, or black coffee. If you need flavor, try infusing water with lemon, mint, or berries for a refreshing, healthy alternative. Number 2, white bread and refined carbs. White bread, pasta, and other refined grains are stripped of their fiber and nutrients, leaving behind empty calories that spikes your blood sugar, leading to insulin resistance and fat storage, increase hunger and craving, making you eat more throughout the day, cause bloating, making your stomach look bigger than it actually is. What to eat instead? Go for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, or whole wheat bread. These keep you full longer and help stabilize blood sugar levels. Number 3, fried food. Fried foods are loaded with unhealthy trans fat and oils that cause inflammation, making it harder to lose weight, lead to insulin resistance, which promotes belly fat storage, take longer to digest, leading to sluggish metabolism. What to eat instead? Try air fried or baked alternative if you crave something crispy. Option for roasted chickpeas, baked sweet potatoes fries, or homemade kale chips for a crunchy without the gluten. Number 4, processed meat. These meat are packed with sodium, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that cause water retention, making your belly look bloated, are linked to higher belly fat and overall weight gain, increase the risk of heart disease and metabolic issue. What to eat instead? Switch to lean protein sources like grilled chicken, turkey, eggs, or plant-based proteins like lentils or tofu. Number 6, artificially sweetened foods. Think sugar-free means it's good for weight loss. Thinks again, artificial sweetness like aspartame and sucralose can trick your body into craving more sweets, leading to overeating. Disrupt gut bacteria, which is linked to increased belly fat, cause bloating and digestive issue. What to eat instead? Use natural sweeteners like stevia, monk fruits, or small amount of honey. Add if you are craving sweets, option for dark chocolate or fruit instead of processed snacks. Number 6, high calorie coffee drinks. The morning coffee run might be secretly increasing your belly fat. Why? Flavored lattes and frappuccinos are loaded with sugar, syrup, and heavy cream, adding hundreds of extra calories. These drinks spikes your blood sugar, leading to more fat stored around the belly. The combination of caffeine and sugar leads to energy crashes, making you crave more unhealthy snacks later. What to drink instead? Go for black coffee, espresso, or plain lattes with almond or oat milk. If you like sweetness, add cinnamon or touch of honey instead of flavored syrup. If you want to lose belly fat, cutting these food can make a huge difference. Start by swapping them out for healthier alternatives and you start noticing changes fast. Try it for a week and see how you feel.